In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an appointment schedule created on Google Calendar. If you've set up an appointment schedule in Google Calendar and you no longer need it, removing it is a very simple process once you know where to click. This is especially useful if your availability has changed, if you created a schedule by mistake, or if you want to stop people from booking time through that schedule in the future. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to delete the appointment schedule from the Google Calendar website on your computer. To begin, open Google Calendar in a web browser on your computer. This process is best done from the desktop version, since appointment schedules are easier to manage there than on smaller mobile screens. Once your calendar is open, look through your calendar view and find the appointment schedule block that you want to remove. It will appear directly on your calendar as part of your availability. When you've located the correct schedule, click on that appointment schedule block. This opens the details window for that schedule, where you'll see options related to managing it. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the right one, especially if you have more than one recurring availability block on your calendar. Next, look toward the top right of the window and click the trash can icon. In some versions of Google Calendar, you may instead see an option labeled Delete Appointment Schedule. Both of these options do the same thing, so use whichever appears on your screen. After that, Google Calendar may ask what exactly you want to delete. If you want to remove the full appointment schedule, rather than only one single time block, select All Availability. This is an important choice because it ensures the entire series is deleted instead of just one occurrence. If your goal is to completely remove the schedule, so no one can book those times anymore, this is the option you should choose. Finally, click OK or Confirm to finish deleting the appointment schedule. Once confirmed, the schedule will be removed from your calendar. And that's it. Your appointment schedule has now been deleted from Google Calendar. If you're managing multiple booking slots, it's a good idea to quickly review your calendar afterward to make sure the correct availability was removed. This helps avoid confusion and ensures your calendar reflects your current schedule accurately.